So you are now in the Taj. So this is a nickname for this area. This was built probably in the 70s, and it was so, I won't say exuberant, I suppose, back then. Right, has anyone seen this in the news before or seen it? To me, I think it looks smaller. You're actually in here. It looks like the seats go on forever when you don't watch it on the news. So before I go on, any questions about the dog? One of the things I kind of one of the most common questions I get from is only a handful of TVs interchange. They might want to use the same 6. Especially if the business happens as well. So when the channel is running, we will have a minister here some days. So the minister will wait here with his officials. So it's kind of like an informal meeting room. So conversations happen here before the actual business happens inside. So they get so you can see, I'll start to see as we're all looking up at it. But this would have been very typical of interior design back then as well. So you'll see you have Grecian ornaments and you have bricks. So the Georgians and the Victorians were having an obsession with Greek mythology. They used that a lot in all of their artwork. Originally, this room would have been covered in this design. So even the walls, everything was covered in this original design. I'm not sure at what stage it's gone, but it would have been completely covered in this as well. So you'll also see, you can see male and female busts up there as well, with kind of brown background. That's to, I suppose, symbolise the Duke and Duchess. It's not anything. So these again are the original, so a lot of original features, but these are the original cantilever stairs from 1775. You'll notice as you walk down the stairs, you notice they're shallow, they're short, shallow steps. That is because of the fashion of the time. So remember I said they had debutante balls here. So for the ladies, lift up their petticoats. Very true, and glide down the stairs. So come on, let's see us. Let's go. Two, as we were celebrating the 100 years of Seanad and Dáil. So this is all the female members of Seanad and Dáil since its creation in 1922. The first 4 portraits are the first 4 female members of Seanad and Dáil. They were going to be elected, I think, 3 times, in 3 terms, in the first 3 Seanads. Come down to the forward, you'll see a familiar face with the red background there in the second row. President Mary Robinson, so she went on to be our first female president. As you make your way down here, you'll see ladies that went on to be MEPs, went on to be ministers. So basically a lot of them went on to have very long, successful political careers. Roughly from here all the way down is our current female members of Seanad. This lady here, anyone to show how old they are? No. Right, this lady here is Tras Honan. So Tras Honan was a Fianna Fáil politician from 1977 to 1992. She is the first and only female to have held the position of Cathaoirleach. So currently we have Jerry Buttimer is our current Cathaoirleach. Librarians that work here. And we would have, so the TDs can use this for the, we put our daily business papers in here, so they're printed, they're put in here. So if we need to look at questions or come up through the day, give us an idea of the schedule as well. But as I say, it's a working library as well. So just give an idea of a typical room back in. And this is actually the only room probably you'll see the full width of the house as well. So this is probably the longest room in the house. George, the blues that we see upstairs as well. really a room for the family. This is the original, the cabinet table from 1922, so we still have it in here. What this is used for now is an official room for the County Court. So if the County Court has visitors or dignitaries coming from another country or very important meetings, he will pop it out of the Dáil Chamber and down here to have his official meeting. So it's kind of politics, okay? So this is the main hall, or great hall of Leinster House. So you can see it's the biggest room in the house, it's the highest room in the house. Why do they do that? We still do it today. Winter House is their fun job to show off a little bit. So first impressions and all that. Some of these doors actually go nowhere, but again, it made the house feel bigger, made it feel more powerful, made it look more relevant as well. Again, achieved the archways and the columns. Highest room in the house as well. This is the official number for the official entrance. So our dignitaries come in here, they go up to the Dáil Chamber, they go up to the Seanad, or they go into the meeting. Done in secrecy, and if they were caught doing this, they would have been executed at the time as well. So very determined to get this printed, or there wouldn't have been an uprising. They were actually disturbed, so you'll see a difference in the depth of ink. Originally, they would have been using wood tiles, and then when they were disturbed, they didn't realise what they were printing, but they confiscated all the materials. So they ended up printing the remainder in metal. So that's why you'll see a difference in the depth of the ink on as well. So obviously England would have had, or the UK would have had an involvement in the First World War, so perfect time to surprise when they rebelled. So the only obvious mistake is the E is upside down in the word then. So if you have an upside down E in your copy, you have the real one. Here are the rest of the names here are the leaders of the rebellion back in 1916. We've one name here, signed in ink, is Seanad and Kelly. So Seanad and Kelly would have been a messenger back then. He was probably in his late teens and he went across Dublin delivering messages to different outposts about what the status of the rising. He went on to be our Irish president for 2 terms, so retired in 1954, and this is his copy which he signed and gave to the houses of the Oireachtas. Now, there's all the story of these. This is not the original. The original did hang here for decades, you can imagine, sunlight coming in every day. So this is a facsimile copy of the original, which we actually have got restored, and it's back with us, and it's in a dark vault, so that the light can't get to it. So there is, I think we're planning to have a special room without the sunlight that we can have it on display with other special artifacts as well.